In the previous video, I have shown you about how to create the automatic solar lamp, automatic solar lights. So this is the schematic. This schematic, the circuit will charge the battery during the day, but when the night comes, there's no more energy or no more current flow from the solar panel. The LED will be turned on. So for complete explanation of how this circuit works, please watch this video. But now there's a question, how do I invert or how do I reverse this schematic? I want the LED or the pump, the water pump or anything to be turned on at the daylight, but when the nights come it will be turned off, because coincidentally I have a project to create the self-watering water pump and I want it to be turned on only at the day but not at the night. So here is the schematic that I have created. The solar panel is now connected here, charging the battery and also turning on the LED or the water pump. But when it is discharged at the night, the LED or the pump is turned off. As simple as that. As you can see here, the battery, it is actually connected here. It is always connected to the LED from both sides, the positive and the negative line, but it is not turned on since this transistor is blocking the current. But when there's a current from the solar panel, the current flows here and turn on the LED. Simple. And one more thing, that there's a saying jumper here. Well, this resistor is only required for Proteus simulation only, but in real life, in actual component, you don't need to add this resistor. Just throw it. So this is the real schematic that you need to create. Now when I execute this schematic in Proteus, it doesn't seem to work. It requires the resistor, but in actual you just have to create this schematic. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you.